숲속 작은 오두막집의 유리창을 깨는 한 소년. 집안에서 누군가 나와 소년의 뒤를 쫓기 시작하는데 잠시 뒤 소년은 그와 마주치고 말죠. 그는 이 외딴 곳에서 홀로 은둔 생활을 하는 괴팍한 노인 펠릭스입니다. 지금은 1930년대 미국 남부 테네시.
Morning, sir.
A hard life if you can't read.
Pardon? Sir, Mr. Wiley Stark has, well, he's passed away, sir.
I got him.
Just got old, sir.
Yeah.
꽤나 충격적인 소식일 텐데 장작 패는 게 더 중요하다는 듯 그냥 덤덤하게 받아들이는 펠릭스. 그러나 사실 가깝게 지내던 사람들이 하나 둘씩 떠나갈수록 그의 마음은 더욱 공허해지고 있었죠. 그날 밤 온기라도 느껴지는 것인지 어떤 여성의 사진을 얼굴에 파묻는 이 노인. 과연 그에게 무슨 일이 있었던 걸까? 다음 날 아침 근처 마을을 찾은 펠릭스.
What can I do for you, sir? What's on your mind, sir?
About time for me to get low.
돈 뭉치가 모습을 드러내고
I need a funeral.
For you. You want to buy a funeral for you?
Am I not talking right?
I see.
Well, what would you say?
Oh, eulogy. Well, I don't know. What do you want me to say?
Say what you say right now to my face.
I've heard stories, but
What stories?
just when you come to the end of your life, that you're ready for the next one.
대답이 마음에 들지 않았는지 자리를 박차고 일어나는 펠릭스.
I heard the most awful things about him when I was a kid.
이 모습을 교회를 찾아온 버디란 남성이 보게 되고
Hey, that's that old man Bush.
We know about you, old man. You stay out of this diner, you hear me? Hey! You hear me? You come around here again, there'll be trouble.
펠릭스는 시비를 걸던 남성을 손봐주고 유유히 그 자리를 떠납니다. 한편 이곳에 상조 회사를 차렸지만 생각보다 사업이 잘 되지 않아 고심이 깊어가던 프랭크.
What do you do when people won't die?
We get it done around here. It's just we're not in a hurry about it.
It's them or us.
I might know of someone who's looking for a funeral.
그렇게 일단 펠릭스의 집으로 향하게 된 프랭크와 버디.
How much did he have? It was all wadded up. There's his sign.
As of right now, you're on commission.
I'd rather you go too.
If you don't do this by yourself, you'll never know if you're any good.
아무도 없는 건지 집 내부를 들여다보던 그 순간
Want to see inside my house, do you? I see you at the church with your wife and baby.
Yes, sir.
What the hell are you doing here?
All right. We treat you with respect and offer you a real good service for Lord, this is good.
Going out here to throw rocks from my window for what, 25, 30 years? Know lots of stories about me.
When I was a kid, I heard you kill some fellas in a fist fight.
Is that all? Well, if I need you, I know who you are.
당연히 세상에 수많은 사람들이 있겠지만 뭐 저런 사람이 다 있을까?
No, ma'am. We can't bury him beneath the house.
그리고 며칠 뒤
Some kind, ma'am, for decency.
펠릭스가 찾아오죠.
Would you like to come in, sir?
Good God.
Leave it. Frank Quinn, it's Mr. Bush.
Come on in, pleasure.
어째 반응이 시큰둥해 보여 비장의 무기도 꺼내 보이지만
Forget the box. What else?
A service.
Party.
A what?
A party.
What kind of party?
A funeral party.
그의 황당한 제안은 계속되는데
And I want to be there.
You want to be at your funeral party alive?
Yes, sir. Yes or no?
Yes.
I want everybody to come who's got a story to tell about me.
Well, sir, the thing is, how do you invite people? You know what? Don't worry about it. You go on ahead. Don't worry about it.
그런데 그때
Felix?
Felix.
Felix, say hello to me.
I heard you moved off.
I've been back a while.
Yeah, well,
How are you?
you look like you always did.
Did you see the size of that thing?
What?
The goddamn ball of money.
Ago, he was the most interesting man I'd ever met.
Get out of here.
He was beautiful. Most people are laid out nice and simple, you know. You always know what they're thinking, and there's still nobody like him.
다음 날 다시 펠릭스를 찾아온 두 사람.
We have a plan.
어떤 묘책을 세워온 듯합니다. 일단 마을로 향한 뒤 먼저 사진관에서 사진 촬영을 하고
You want him to smile?
That is his smile.
다음은 이발소
You look pretty good.
그리고 양복점까지
It'll be $19.69 total.
Well, I don't mean to be nosy, but how do you know Maddie?
We had a go.
그날 밤 이 소식을 듣게 된 몇몇의 마을 사람들.
Ain't nobody gonna go to a funeral for that old son of a bitch.
Language.
They might. You could tell about him kicking your ass, Carl.
Keep it up. I'm gonna dance on his grave someday.
I hate to admit it when it comes to Carl, but he's got a point. What if he just wants to get everybody in one place so he can turn his shotgun on? The truth is, nobody knows what he's capable of. Maybe even he doesn't know.
반응은 차가움을 넘어 아주 냉담하기만 하죠. 그러나 이미 벌어진 일, 본격적으로 홍보를 시작한 세 사람.
Friends, we have a special treat for you today on WCGM. Our guest is going to tune us into the event that everyone's talking about. How are you today, sir?
I am.
I have to say, sir, you don't look quite like you do on the posters.
I got pruned.
How long have you been living out there by yourself?
40-some years.
Now, why would you do that, Mr. Bush? Shut yourself off like that.
Why? You come to the funeral, maybe you'll find out. There's going to be a drawing.
Sir, what
You
kind
buy a ticket for $5. The winner gets my place. 300 acres of timber that hadn't been touched in 40 years. Send it to the Quinn Funeral Home.
너무나 파격적인 그의 발언.
You heard him say?
이건 그야말로 로또입니다.
Who's this?
Felix?
Maddie?
Look at you.
Heard you on the radio.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, this is my mule, Gracie. I want to lay here with him someday. Yeah. This is Valerian. To help you not off when the nights get long.
사실 두 사람은 40년 전 서로 호감을 갖고 만났던 사이였고
Thank you.
You still play the piano?
Oh, I teach a few girls.
Remember the time you was playing and the lamp burned out and you went right on in the dark? I heard you married.
Yeah. To a doctor. A good man. He died about a year ago. So I came back here because the list of people who are gone is getting longer and longer, and it seems like all I'm doing is just waiting for my name to be called.
You have a tender heart, you always did. You know, stay in one spot your whole life, but you're still moving. Like the world is, moving under you. There's no waiting.
그런데 그때 긴장하는 펠릭스와 어떤 여성의 사진을 보게 된 매티. 며칠 뒤 티켓을 사기 위한 돈들이 사무실로 몰려 들어오기 시작하죠.
Not exactly sure how much your land is worth. It looks to me like you could get 10 times that, more. I never thought I'd see enough money to make me nervous.
I'd probably put it in the bank, sir.
This bank here, you can't trust.
Can I trust you?
Every name, every dollar is on this table. I don't see why.
Mr. Bush, I didn't mean to imply.
I've sold horses, cars, been the inside of my coat. I'm not ashamed of
Take
it.
out for the expenses you already had and give me the receipts. When the revenue comes in, you keep in the bottom one of them ugly caskets in there till I come get it. The party's over, you name a fair price for what you've done, and we'll settle up.
그러던 중 펠릭스는 버디에게 어딜 좀 같이 가자고 하는데 한참을 달려 도착한 장소.
Don't say nothing. To who? You don't say hi.
그곳은 잘 지어진 어떤 교회였습니다.
Hello.
Hey, Charlie.
Felix? What would you want me to say at this funeral? After you left here, did you do the right thing? Confessed? Ask forgiveness? Did you tell her, Felix? You've come a long way for
I
nothing.
built my own jail and put myself in it. And no wife, no kids, no friends, no nothing. Now that's not enough.
Not on your life.
추모사 부탁을 거절하는 목사 찰리.
Do you know that he built this church?
I knew he was a good carpenter, but
Maybe it's the best of him. Maybe he put his soul into it. I don't know.
can I ask you something?
You have to.
I just don't know where it's going.
There's a whole lot of things you don't know. That day you left my house, I saw you stop and look back. You want to know what can make somebody like me? Well, here you are, son. Here you are.
이후 사무실로 돌아와 돈 정리를 하던 버디.
Frank, I'm back here.
분명 인기척이 들렸는데 잠시 뒤
Frank, in here. I was putting the money in and heard some glass breaking. I locked up the casket and then boom.
그 시각 무슨 할 말이 있는 건지 매티를 찾아간 펠릭스.
What are you doing here?
You want to know why I have your sister's picture on my wall?
I'm not stupid, Felix. She was already married when I met you. Were you just making up to me to get to her?
Can you help who you love?
Don't lie to me, Felix.
No, ma'am.
When did you take up with her?
A came to see you. And she was there hanging clothes on the line with your mom. I promise you, I did not know that I had a heart. Then,
She was married.
Yeah.
And did you have anything to do with her death? Felix, get out of my house. Now! Take a breath. You need to see a doctor.
펠릭스의 몸 상태에 뭔가 문제가 있는 듯 보였죠. 잠시 뒤
Whoa.
What the hell?
Wait, did you get it?
Buddy sealed it in the casket. Thank you. What if we had the party at your place?
I'm thinking to call it off.
No. You can't.
Say no, you don't say no. Now, goddamn, you send that money back, all right?
You're killing
I
me.
care about this town as much as they care about me.
So now, why don't you want it anymore?
Hell with it. Hell with me.
심경의 변화가 생긴 것 같은 펠릭스. 여기까지 어떻게 이끌어왔는데 다시 그의 마음을 돌려야 합니다.
Yeah.
Bush is pulling out.
What?
What happened yesterday?
Well, I told you. We went to.
What?
My husband has his head bashed in, and all you care about is this party.
It's not like that. I mean, this is for all of us. You're like family to me.
다음 날
Reverend Jackson? Frank Quinn. Quinn Funeral Home.
목사 찰리를 찾아간 프랭크.
Is he out there?
Bush? No, sir.
Why are you here?
First off, Bush doesn't know that I'm here. Whatever he did has been locked up in him for 40 years. He can't get it out, and he wants you to tell it for him.
Because he won't.
Or can't. At least he wants to get the truth out. Give him that. But if you're not coming, I'm not going back.
다시 돈을 정리하고 있던 버디. 그런데 돈이 전부 사라졌습니다. 펠릭스의 몸 상태는 시간이 갈수록 더욱 안 좋아지는 듯하고
I'll sit here a minute. How's your head?
It's all right.
You know who hurt you?
No, sir. Frank went somewhere, and the money's gone.
You figure he took off with it?
I don't want to think that.
What do you want to do?
I want to make you a funeral if you still want one.
Well, do it if you want to.
그리고 다음 날 이른 아침
I'm glad you decided to come, sir. Did you take the money out of the casket?
Yeah.
Or where is it?
It's in the hearse under the floorboards. Nobody steals a hearse. Bush and...
누군가 돈을 훔쳐갈까봐 프랭크가 숨겨놓은 것이었죠.
I'm out of here.
그렇게 장례 파티가 진행되는 날 그건 마치 마을 사람들을 위한 작은 축제 같았습니다.
Pretty nice jail.
Thank you.
How do you want to do this?
I'm going to try and tell it, Charlie. I really am. But if I can't get it done, would you do it?
펠릭스가 마지막으로 만들고 있던 건 자신의 관이었죠.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Frank Quinn of Quinn Funeral Home, of Mr. Felix Bush. But today I'm told that we're going to hear another kind of story. His.
그리고 드디어 펠릭스 등장.
I'm Reverend Charlie Jackson. Some 40 years ago, Felix dropped into my life. He built the most beautiful sanctuary that I've ever seen. A lot of wonderful things happened in that church.
Charlie, thank you, Charlie. Thank you very much.
그는 도대체 무슨 이야기를 하려는 걸까?
One, I don't know what kind of man I am. I did something I was ashamed of. To be sick from it every day of my life, so that I never told nobody else. I fell in love with a married lady, and somehow she fell in love with me. We made a plan to run off and start a new life, family. She didn't show up when we said we'd meet. Her husband answered the door. He had blood on him. I hit him pretty hard and knocked him down. And I found her in the bedroom crawling across the floor. A kerosene lamp hit the wall and exploded. And then her husband, he jumped my back. I could see that her husband had set the downstairs on fire before he came up. I had him. That this was all my fault. If I just never spoke to her. That I was on fire. Tried to put myself out. I couldn't. So confused. I could see that my only love was on fire. And the next thing I knew, I was flying. You see, I don't know how I got out the window. In my mind, I can't remember jumping. I thought I killed him. Maybe he pushed me. I don't know. I didn't get out a little bit. I didn't. I'm sorry. I don't mind dying for real next time. But please forgive me.
나지막히 울려 퍼진 그의 목소리. 그건 40년 전 자신이 저지른 과오에 대한 진심을 담은 고백이었습니다. 그렇게 장례 파티는 마무리되고 다시 각자의 삶으로 돌아가는 사람들. 그리고 잠시 뒤 단 한 번도 잊어본 적 없던 그녀가 마중을 나오죠. 그리고 이번엔 진짜 장례식입니다.
So wherever you are, or something from the burdens of your mind and heart, I wish it for us all.
처음 이곳에 왔을 때처럼 다시 뒤를 돌아보는 버디. 그러나 그가 느끼는 감정은 이제 전혀 다르겠죠. 용기 있던 어떤 산자의 장례식.